Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Capricorn Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Libra. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs seen from 8th house, your in-laws related matter, your secret activities, and your sexual activities also seen from 8th house. So right now your 8th house Lord is moving in your 10th house, and Sun will stay in your 10th house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Sun will move to your 11th house in the sign of Scorpio. So till Sun is moving in your 10th house, we can expect good result regarding your work related matter. So till Sun is moving in your 10th house, we can expect good result regarding your work related matter. Suddenly you will get good result regarding your workplace because Jupiter is present in your 4th house, and from 4th house Jupiter expecting your 8th house Lord in your 10th house. So it will create a good position for your work related matter because also your 9th house Lord Mercury is also moving in your 10th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding Sun for your work related matter till 17th of November. After 17th of November, when Sun will move to your 11th house, then we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter and your money related matter and your achievements related matter at your workplace, because then your 8th house Lord will be moving in the house of gain, because 11th house will be your gains, your incoming gains seen from 11th house, your achievements, your friend circle, your professional circle, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your work related matter and your gains related matter in the month of November regarding Sun. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 6th house and your 9th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Libra. 6th house deal with your court cases, your litigation, your arguments, your fights, your competition, your loans, your daily routine, and your debt is also seen from 6th house. 9th house deal with your father, teaching of your father is seen from 9th house, your higher education, your religious inclination, and your religious knowledge is also seen from 9th house. So right now 9th house and your 6th house Lord is moving in your 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter as well, because 6th house, 2nd house, and 10th house always connected with your work, because from 6th house we see your daily routine, and from 10th house we see your work, and right now 6th house and 9th house also deal with your luck related matter, and your fortune is also seen from 9th house. So right now 9th house, 6th house Lord is moving in your 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter in the month of November, especially till 7th of November, because Mercury will stay in your 7th house till 7th of November. After 7th of November, Mercury will move to your 11th house in the sign of Scorpio, and Mercury will present in the sign of Scorpio till 27th of November. After 27th of November, Mercury will move to your 12th house in the sign of Sagittarius. So after 7th of November, when Mercury will move to your 11th house, then we can also expect good result regarding your gains related matter and your money related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your elder siblings related matter, because from 11th house we also see your elder siblings. So we can expect good result for your elder siblings in the month of November if you have any elder siblings in your life. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of November for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Venus controls your 5th house and your 10th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Virgo. 5th house deal with your love relationship. 5th house deal with your children, your fiance, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fun activities also seen from 5th house. How smart you are, how smart you are, how genius you are seen from 5th house. Your learning abilities and your planning abilities also seen from 5th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your authority, your fame, your bosses is also seen from 10th house. So right now 5th house Lord and 10th house Lord is moving in your 9th house, but Ketu is also moving in your 9th house, because Ketu is just moved from your 10th house to your 9th house after 30th October 2023. So you need to be take care of your love relationship in the month of November if you have any love relationship. Also you need to be take care of your children's health in the month of November, because Ketu is moving in your 9th house with your 5th house Lord, and Ketu is just moved from your 10th house to your 9th house. That's why we can expect some disturbing result regarding your fifth house related matter. But we can expect good result regarding your work related matter because your 10th house lord is moving in your ninth house and ninth house lord is moving in your 10th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your work related matter. And also Jupiter from fourth house aspecting your 10th house, all the planets in the month of November. That's why we can expect good result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your recognition for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Moon controls your seventh house, and right now Moon is moving in your seventh house in its own sign. Means right now Moon is moving in the sign of Cancer. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of November, and on the basis of 6th November we are predicting for whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these house. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. And especially problem, issues and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Mars controls your 11th house and your 4th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Libra. Mars will stay in your 10th house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, along with Sun, Mars will move to your 11th house in the sign of Scorpio. So 4th house deal with your mother. Your home is seen from 4th house. Your homeland is also seen from 4th house. Your properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life is also seen from 4th house. 11th house, as we discussed previously, 11th house will be your gains, your money matters, your PR, your professional network circle, your friend circle, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So right now, 4th house and 11th house Lord is moving in your 10th house. That's why we were saying in Sun and Mercury section, we can expect good result regarding your work related matter because 4th house Lord and your 11th house Lord, house of gains Lord is moving in the 10th house, and from 4th house Jupiter is also aspecting your 10th house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your recognition and fame related matter in the month of November. Also we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter at your workplace after 17th of November when Sun and Mars both the planets will be moving in your 11th house. Then we can also expect regarding your gains related matter, you may also get some recognition, you may also get some increase, and also we can expect you will get some increment and promotion at your workplace when Sun and Mars both the planets will be moving in your 11th house. So we can expect these results from all the planets in the month of November for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of November. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 10th house, but after 17th of November, Sun will move to your 11th house in the sign of Scorpio. Second major astrological event is that Saturn is right now moving in your second house, and right now Saturn is moving in its retrograde motion. But after 3rd November 2023, Saturn will turn into its direct motion in your second house. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 10th house. But after 17th of November, along with Sun, Mars will also move to your 11th house in the sign of Scorpio. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 10th house, but after 7th of November, Mercury will move to your 11th house in the sign of Scorpio, and after 27th of November, Mercury will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Fifth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 9th house, and Venus is just moved from your 8th house to 9th house on 3rd November 2023 in the sign of Virgo. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of November 2023 for all the Capricorn Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.